AIX is simply the one best place every year for us to celebrate with our customers, our beautiful industry, to listen to them, to explore new innovations and new improvements for the passenger experience.
It's always a great place to come back and see our friends and colleagues within the industry, and we look forward to it every year.
Mesmerizing and overwhelming, the amount of vendors and product that we can see in a place like this.
If you're not here, then you're missing out on so much.
It keeps getting better and better, and I can't wait for the 2020 show.
It brings innovation to reality. It gives us really some true understanding of what's out there.
I would say it is the premier aircraft interiors and aircraft product event in the world during the year, for sure.
The AIX is the most important exhibition in our industry.
I couldn't carry on my job for the entire year without having come here to find out what's going on.